So this is the Angle Estimator tool on MathsBot, and when it loads up you get a random angle between 0 and 360, and you can press new ones, you can make new ones pressing this button here. Now these angles initially are rounded to the nearest 5 degrees, so this one here, as you can see, as you drag the slider to your guess, it's going up in 5s, so let's have a go at 190, see if that's right, or 10 degrees out, so it might be, 200 maybe? There we go, spot on. Now, the nice thing is this rounding bit here, you can change it to whatever you want. So if you want to just concentrate on right angles, say, to begin with, you can put that as 90 degrees. And then all you're getting now is a multiple of 90. So either 90, 180, 270, or a full turn. And then you might want to refine it a little bit more and go down to, say, 45 degrees and 30 degrees and so on. Now the other nice thing is you probably don't want to start with the whole 360 degrees, you might just want to look at angles within a right angle to begin with, so you might want to go 0 to 90 and then let's say round to the nearest 10 degrees. Now each of these angles here are up to a right angle in size and you have to guess it. And again, if you want to break it down further, it might be confusing in the first instance that all these angles are kind of like starting at different points, so if you want to you can press start at the horizontal here. Now all the angles now you can see are starting from the horizontal and you have to guess the size of the angle. So the plan is you build up this sense of angle estimation first within a right angle, then you might want to go acute and obtuse angles, so all the way up to 180, and then eventually when you're ready for it, any angle between 0 and 360 degrees. And you can make it harder and easier by changing what you round to and whether you start at the horizontal or not. And all the time this slider here changes, so here I've got it to the nearest 1 degree, I reckon that's slightly less than a right angle, so let's go for 86, see what I am. Oh, I'm 8 degrees out, that's not bad. So yeah, it's got loads of options to build up a pupil's sense of estimation of angles slowly, rather than having the whole angles at once. Build it up with right angles, straight lines, until you're working with a full 360 degrees.